What are you doing, Hogan? What did you find? What is it? Your old water dish? Where'd you get your old water dish from? Would you like water in it? All right. Here's your new water dish. What about new water dish? No? You don't like new water dish? All right. Here's old water dish. Happy boy?